guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Azja Rene. If you are new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you can be notified when I post again. Today we are going to be just getting into this hair. I'm going to be reinstalling a wig that I have previously made. This is just like one of my throw-on wigs that I just like to have. But we'll get into the details of this hair later in the video. But I will be reinstalling this hair just to create this look that I have going on. I do have a video. If you guys are interested in this makeup look, I will have a video up on my channel. So it's going to either be before or after this video. But just make sure you're on the lookout for that. And that's why I say hit that bell notification so you know when I post again. But other than that, let's just get into this video and so we can watch me reinstall this hair. Okay guys, so I already have my ball cap on. Let me scoot my wig over here. I already have my ball cap on. So I have somewhere to go after this, so we're gonna try to make this quick. Hopefully I still create a good enough video for y'all to see me install this wig. The wig that I'm going to be installing is just this curly wig that I've created myself. I made this wig a little while ago, and so I just want to apply it and reapply it. I do need a new lace for this wig. I just haven't got that yet, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and clean the perimeter of my hairline once more before I start putting the glue down. And I will go ahead and resize to see if where I have everything is good to go. So yeah, I'm just going to be using the Sea Breeze Sensitive Skin. I used to use alcohol, but I don't use alcohol anymore because I have noticed that, well, I have sensitive skin and I have noticed that alcohol literally just like pretty much eats at my skin. So I don't use alcohol on my skin anymore, just because of what I just said. So I'm just going to take some of this on a paper towel and clean up the perimeter of my hairline. So we're just going to trying to line it up because like I said, I'm just reapplying this wig. So I just want to make sure. Maybe I can rotate it some. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and apply this in sections. I find that a lot easier for me to do. I feel like when I used to try to apply it all at once, that's when I would mess up. So, and then plus because I am also reapplying this wig, I just want to make sure that I place it in the right place. So, oh, sorry guys. I am going to be using the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive glue. So, for the glue, I am just going to apply 3 layers to each section. And then I'm going to blow dry them in between as well until they become a clear color. So a transparent color, and then I apply the next layer. I didn't explain that in the video, but that's what I'm going to be doing, and so you'll just kind of see the first layer of each side. Okay, so I have that down. I don't know what y'all can really see on camera, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting my baby hairs together, and kind of so that I can mold them. And then once that's done, then I'll go back in and like really secure the lace. I don't even know how I want to style. I want to do like a kind of like a flip over ish. So maybe I need to do this with my So I am going to start trying to figure out how I was going to be doing the baby hairs for this look. This was supposed to be a transparent lace, but I wasn't feeling like this was. I've had better transparent lace. So definitely I think you guys can see that you could still see like the edge, I guess, of the lace. So definitely baby hairs made the look a little bit better. I do need a new lace for this wig. This one is balding. That's also why I was trying to figure out how I was going to do the baby hairs. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing, trying to finesse this wig. So right now I'm just going to be tying up my hair so that it makes it easier for me to tie it down. But I will be using the Gots to Be spray to kind of try to melt the lace into my skin. I feel like this also helps if you kind of miss some areas with the glue. This hairspray kind of holds it down as well. Okay, so for the most part, I have the wig styled and I went ahead and defined my curls. I used some Lotta Body mousse and some curl defining by Eden. And I'm just gonna actually allow this to melt, and I want my hair to be a little bit more poofy. So by the time I come back, that will be the case. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I am done up and looking real good. I don't know if this video is going to come up first or the next video, but I did record a video on how I achieved this makeup look. If I was you, I would go ahead and watch it because this look is definitely giving the girls what it was supposed to give, okay? So, the hair though, okay, so let's talk about the hair. Let's just talk about the hair, okay? So the hair, this wig I created by myself. It was when I was looking for hair vendors or whatever. And the wig itself, the hair itself, I can tell that this hair is definitely like a synthetic. They sent me some synthetic hair. I didn't throw it out. I just repurposed it. That's wasting money. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use this hair just for like, you know, a cute little throw on type of wig. As far as the lace, I'm sure you guys probably can tell. I don't know if this lace was supposed to be transparent or whatnot. I don't think it helps that you can still see the knots. And I do remember when I first bleached the knots, I had left the bleach on for quite some time. But honestly, I'm going to probably get rid of the lace and just buy a new lace for this wig. But other than that, yeah, I just defined my curls and I styled it. I put a little bit of the cream, or the curl defining cream, as well as some mousse, and I just used some water. In my opinion, when it comes to wigs and curly hair, I don't want it to look so weighed down and flat, because it's not fully dry right now, but eventually I like bigger curls, and I do like the way it looks right now. I would definitely wear it like this. But I know throughout the day, if I just fluff with it, it will get a little bigger, and I do like bigger curls. But yeah, so this is the look. This is the install. This is the hair. This is the makeup. Once again, go ahead and make sure you watch my video on how I achieved this look. But yeah, so here's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this install. I will be trying to come with more videos, more wig installs, and just everything all around. But let me know in the comments down below what type of videos you guys want to see, what type of installs, what type of everything y'all want to see, and I'll do my best to bring it to you guys. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I post again. But until next time, I'll just see you guys in my next video.